Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got English and Polish. So let's tap on add a language because I want to show you another one. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish. And as you can see, the Turkish language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. It is because that it is on the first position. So we have to set and the language we'd like to use on the first position of the list. So all we have to do it, we have to tap on it and hold it. And now let's drag it to the very first position, just like that. And wait a second. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. We can go back and check. And as you can see, everything is in Turkish in my case, of course. Let me show it to you again because I'm not really good at Turkish. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. Alright, if you'd like to remove the languages from this list, then simply tap on the three dots icon here and tap on remove. Now you can mark the languages and simply tap on the trash bin icon. Now let's confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Alcatel 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.